Lucy.
What's up, reviewers? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today we got the Siege Ratchet here. It's from the Netflix series War for Cybertron. So let's open it up. Okay, so here he is right here. They got some nice details on his face. You have his nice arms. They go all the way around. He has waist movements that he can spin around on his waist. And yeah, and he has nice red and white paint. So let's get on to the transformation, and we'll go into some details there, and we'll go over my rating then. Okay, so let's get down to the transformation now. So first thing you do for this is you flip this down, and then flip the head, and just flip that up. You're done with that part after you do that. Then you come back here, you flip this part down, you come up here, you grab the cab, you spin that around, and sometimes you will get a little stuck, but it's okay. Then you bring the bumper up and attach it to there like that. Then you come to the legs, you bring this piece up, and the same with the other side. And then you come here, and there's a tab right here on this one, and it tabs into this little hole here. So that's what you do. You'll take it, and you'll tab it together like so. And then there you have the legs. Oh no, it just came undone. Hold on. And there you have the legs all done. Okay, next thing you do is you take the arm and you fold it up like so. And then you take this side panel, unfold it. Same thing on this other side. So it looks like that. Take this panel. And then you actually want to fold these legs down. Put these arms in just like so. And the same thing with the other arm. You're going to take it and put it in this spot right here. Hold on. And there's also a little tab on this arm right here. You attach it and tab it together on this arm, and you bring it through and pull it like that. And then you bring these two panels and attach them right here. There's a little tab on each of these panels right here. You bring it here, put it in this little hole right here. And sometimes you have to move the arm out the way like that and tab it together like that. Same thing on the other side. And voila, there you have Ratchet in his vehicle mode. So now, let's get down to details in the vehicle mode. Okay, so the details. You get this nice silver aligned bumper with the white on it right there. You even have a little Autobot logo molded right there. And you can see his head there, but at least you can't see it under here. It makes it look more realistic like a car, but still. Alright, still good. And then you got little painted on dirt like he's been walking and he's all dirty now. That's a nice touch. And then you have again this white and red paint. It looks really good. The red on the white looks really good, I'm not gonna lie. I like it. And you got a blue windshield here. Has the siren lights right here. And it has white tires. And that's pretty much it for the details and all. So, with that being said, that is going to be it for this video. Like it, be sure to smash that like button, turn on your post notifications, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye! Oh, and for the rating, I give it a 100 out of 100. Go behind the scenes with Lucien Story Train Reviews! Okay, so the first step for the transformation is you're going to flip this down. I want this open. Man. So the first step for transformation is you flip this piece. Oh, whoa! Yikes. So the first step for transformation is that you flip this piece down here, and then you fold his head in.